educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems. I like to be away in my patience. Stay up, I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray. What would happen if I took a chance? It's always hard at first glance. I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the crowd.
Happy holiday, loves. I'm Geraldine of Diva Decorating. Welcome. If this is your first time here, I'm glad that you clicked on the video. And for my returning subscribers, welcome back, loves. Okay, guys, so today I am participating in another collab, and it's the Decorated Party Tea Club. And I am doing a Christmas theme for 2022. I will be decorating my table today with red, white, and silver. On this channel, I do tablescapes, DIYs, glam room tours, a little cooking, and much, much more. So if you like that sort of thing, guys, hang out with me for a while and see what I got going on, okay? Now, our host for this collab is Glam Elegant Living, and our co-hosts are EasyLife, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Table Talk with Robin, MMIRIM Creative Corner, and myself, Diva Decorating. So guys, please check out all the ladies' channel. Go over and show them some love. They're all into home decorating and very creative decorating, DIYs, just everything that has to do with home style. There's also a playlist. Make sure you check out that playlist so you can get some creative ideas from all these ladies, okay? Now, let's continue on with the decorating.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew how much I miss not knowing that we're all screwed when we play our roles and ignore the problems.
So at this place setting, my charger plate, um, silverware is all from the Dollar Tree. The napkin is from eFavorMart, and the napkin ring is from Amazon. My faux fur placemats are a DIY. I just put them together to make my runner as a centerpiece. And right here on this charger, I did a DIY with some crushed mirror pieces, and I think they came out absolutely gorgeous. And here I cut up some lemon wedges for our tea. And here, this is part of my tea set, the cup and the saucer. And that I already had. And this is the other part of the set. The tray is from the Dollar Tree, and it's a DIY. I used some silver glittery contact paper. My tea set is gold and white, but I wanted to cover up the gold, so I used these gem pieces to cover the gold around the rim. And you can still see some of the gold peeking through on the teapot, but I think that's okay. It just adds another pretty element to it. And here, this is a DIY placemat as well. I just made this a couple days ago by using a faux fur throw. And I just cut out the shape into a circle, and I have my placemat. Okay, so this ginger jar is from At Home, and you'll see it in a minute. There we go. And the reindeers, they are from Amazon. I picked those up last year. And the picks are from the Dollar Tree. I've had them for a couple of years now.
But I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss.
Now over here we have this half-eaten red velvet cake. We had this for Thanksgiving a couple days ago. My daughter, she brought this over for us. She had it made, and guys, we could not resist. It was absolutely delicious, but I still wanted to use it in the video. And here you see I have some chicken salad sandwiches with some celery sticks and some red grapes up under there. Just a little snack to go with our tea. So that was the finishing for the table. And here you see these beautiful pillows. 'Tis the season to sparkle. I got these a couple of years ago. I believe I picked them up from Big Lots. And I just love them because they sparkle so much and they are so pretty. And the red pillow covers, they are from the Dollar Tree. And I've had them for years now. So this is how everything looks. I think it came out absolutely beautiful. I'm very, very pleased with this design. Catch you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.